When it comes to disabled persons, because sir, I would like to point out the Goa SDG index, जे आम्ही या बुक प्रिंट केला. प्रिंट केला तो बरोच आसता, पण मुख्यमंत्री आता जायते सांगता, पण म्हाका दिसता की सरकार खंय तरी आज चुकला आणि या बुकाचे प्रिंटूय करपाक चुकला. आणि SDG 10 आणि 10.2 we talk about reduced inequalities. आणि in reduced inequalities आम बुकाचे चोयल जाल्यार there is nothing of providing anything for these disabled people. Biggest failure of Goa government today. We are trying and we have seen that our state talks of becoming number one in these SDGs. And when we are talking about becoming number one in press, the actual situation over here, 10.2 should talk about what we should be doing to make sure that we become number one. But here बुकाचेर प्रिंटूय ना आणि हेजे कांयच बरयलो ना की what we are going to do, because goal 10 which strives to reduce inequality within and among countries by empowering and promoting the social, economic and political inclusion of all, including persons with disabilities. आमगेलो जर तर लास्ट स्कोर चोयल जाल्यार SDG चो on goal number 10 it shows we are in yellow. Green आहे ते जायत बरे असताय. So yellow is 50% or 50% less. That means आम्ही आता हे रॅम्पाचे उलयताय, आमकां तेजे भायर आमकां कांय कळना हाव वी आर गोइंग टू मेक देम सोशली, इकॉनॉमिकली, पॉलिटिकली इन्क्लुसिव. आम वयल्यान तेंगे पयशे स्किमी पयशे सारके दिनाय, तो टॉपिक सेपरेट. So we are talking only of ramps. But what are we going to do to make them empowered and to bring our SDG goal number 10 up? We need to have an assurance today की SDG goal number 10 या बुकाचेर प्रिंट आणि करपाची गरज आहे. एक अमेंडमेंट हाडून आणि एक भितर इन्क्लुसिव घालपा जाय की ह्या वर्सा ह्या फायनान्शियल बजेटाक कसली वर्क ऑर्डर पावस करतलो. That will improve our score in the SDG goal number 10. That is what we want assurance on this floor for today's this calling attention. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.